Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. For today's video we are gonna film the Sephora VIB guide for 2024. So I have a bunch of products that I really love, and I have some products that I would recommend you to avoid because for some reason they are really bad. So let's start with base, and I don't have a primer in the love category, but I have a kind of primer in the hate category, and that is the Supergoop Glow Screen. I'm gonna put a picture right here. I don't like that one because it was creating a bunch of small little peels on my skin. If you like a very shimmery look, sure, maybe you would like it on its own, but I would have preferred for that one to be less glowy for a no makeup or to work under foundation as a normal SPF. It doesn't do that, it peels, it looks horrible. Let me recommend the foundation. This one is really nice. It is from Fenty. It is the Stick Eaze Drop foundation, and I like this one a lot more than the liquidy one because that one is peeling on me as well. This one is the shade 3 that I have. It is so easy to blend, so easy to apply. You just draw it on your skin, blend it with a sponge or a brush, and it looks really great. It wears really nicely, and they have a bunch of shades. It is a really nice product, and I really enjoy it. Then a really amazing concealer that I need to recommend is this one. This right now is my favorite concealer. I love some drugstore ones as well, but this one is just, it's so creamy and full coverage and hydrating, but it looks so natural. It's not greasy, and it is looking amazing on my under eyes. So I'm so happy that I decided to purchase this because of course it is a bit more expensive, but it is incredible. I really like the Natasha Denona concealer. I have the shade N1. It is just amazing. A powder that I always recommend, and I will keep recommending it, it is the Huda Beauty one, the Easy Bake one. It's just the best. I can't not recommend it. It's just setting everything into place. You can bake with it or just put it with a normal brush. Is just great, and it's setting everything into place. It's just my favorite loose powder in general. Let's talk about two bronzer products because these are 10 out of 10. First of all, we have of course the R.E.M Beauty stick. This is the best cream bronzer that I found. Sure, I have one from the drugstore, but this one is so easy to apply, creamy. This is my second one, if that is not saying enough. I just love it. I have in here the shade Bright Side. It is the lightest cool toned kind of shade. I would call it neutral shade, but it's again very easy to blend. You just draw it on your skin, take a sponge, blend it out, and it will wear great, and your bronzer will last the whole day. Usually I apply first a cream product and then put a powder on top, and the powder bronzer that is my absolute favorite one, it is this one. It's the Fenty In the Sun is the shade. Just the best powder bronzer. Is so easy to blend, never muddy, it's smooth, it looks just great, and this shade is just perfect for me, so I can't recommend it enough. Let's talk about a product that I don't really like, and it is the Huda lip blush stain thingy. We are in blush category, so let's mention this one right here. This one is just not my favorite. In general, stains are not for me, but I tried this one on the lips mostly, and it doesn't look great. It is what it is. You need to apply this one and then very fast remove it, otherwise it will be very patchy. So you need to remove it and you will have a stain, but it's still not smooth and nice, so I don't see the point. I prefer a normal lipstick like this one. A blush that I discovered recently and that I absolutely love, it is the iconic London Kissed by the Sun blush. This one is a glowy dream. I need to recommend it. It is available at Sephora in the US. I bought mine from Beauty Bay. It's so beautiful. It's glowy, shimmery, and not glittery, but it's a perfect blush in my opinion. I really like a shimmery cheek. I never wear a matte blush. It is what it is, and this It's so stunning. A highlighter that I absolutely love from Sephora, it is the Natasha Denona Super Glow formula. It is a great highlighter overall. You can't mess this one up. It's just blinding but still natural in a way, and you can build it up or apply just a small amount and it will look really great. So I can't skip recommending this one. Is just really nice. Let's talk about some lip products that I don't recommend. First of all, this is pretty new and I don't like it. It is the ABH Lip Velvet. The Pure Hollywood is the shade is Pure Hollywood. I can't put a normal lip pencil on the lips and just this one. It's too dry. It is very dry. So I always apply this one and then a gloss on top, and sure, it is nice, but do I really need to do that each time? Sometimes I do want a matte lip, but this one is way too dry. It's just, it is just instantly dry. You are applying it on your lips and it is matte, and you can see the cracks on your lips and stuff like that. And I understand again that it is a matte lipstick, but it seems like an old formula from 2015 and we are in 2024, so make it make sense. A product from ABH that I do like, it is the lip pencil. With the lip pencil they did something. This is the shade Hazelnut. It's really nice. It is a wooden pencil. That is my type of pencil that I really enjoy. I have another one, it is a clear cup, but it is nice as well. If you want a high-end lip pencil, this one is really good. It is creamy but not too creamy and I really enjoy it. And if you prefer something like a clear cup, this one is a really beautiful reddish brown and it is plumping, so it is a bit hurting, but I kind of discovered that I like lip plumpers, but not the Too Faced one. The Too Faced ones are just too painful. I don't like those. But others, the Duck Plump from NYX, that is not from Sephora, but I really love that one. Anyway, the lip pencil is really nice. This one is a bit more creamy, but it looks so great on the lips, and the plumping effect is just making your lips look bigger, but in a very beautiful way. I really like this one. More lip products. I have the Natasha Denona My Dream Lip Gloss. I cannot recommend this one. It's just so flattering. I don't know what Natasha did with this particular shade, but I could see this one working for so many skin tones and undertones and stuff like that. It's just so, and I love this packaging. I have the My Dream palette as well. That one is great as well. I love this lip gloss. It's not goopy, it's not very pigmented, is not shimmery. It's actually like a milky lip gloss. 11 out of 10. I really love it, and the applicator is perfect, and I am obsessed with this lip gloss. It's just so nice. A lip gloss type of product that I don't recommend is the R.E.M one. This one was so useless and so bad. It was a lip oil. It was very thin, kind of the normal basic lip oil formula, but it was disappearing in like 3 seconds and my lips were very dry afterwards. So what was the point? I don't even know. The Summer Fridays lip balm, I understand the hype. This one is so nice, very hydrating. Usually I don't like a packaging like this, but it is very well made. And I like the applicator as well because it is very comfortable to put it on your lips and it is great. Let's finish the lip category, and the product that I don't really recommend, it is the Glowish lip balm. This one was drying out my lips. Literally. I don't like it. It is very easy to finish as well. The packaging was pretty bad. The writing came off very fast. And it was just a waste of money. Really, I didn't like it. And as well from Glowish, the quad. I had the orange one. It is the most basic quad ever. And the formulas were... The mattes were okay, but the shades were very close to each other. And the shimmer was the most useless shimmer, really. It was lackluster. I don't recommend it. It was bad. And as well, let's finish the bad products so we can talk about some nice ones. The R.E.M shadows, I had one in a pot and one the liquid one, both horrible products. Patchy, uneven, ugly. I don't even want to talk about them ever again. They are bad with big B. Let's talk about some good shadows. The Dazzle stick from KVD, great shadows. I have the green one, the green flash one. It's stunning. Wears great, looks great. It has pigment and it is impactful. And a friend gave me another shade. It is Hail Surge. This one is just beautiful. And if you want something that is worth picking up, if you want to splurge on a shadow stick, these ones are nice. A mascara that I always recommend that is just great, it is the R.E.M Beauty one. Is my favorite mascara, so it is still my favorite mascara. I'm wearing it today and I just love it. It is the best volumizing mascara. I have a mini here. 10 out of 10. I really like it. Let's end with some perfumes and some eyeshadows. For eyeshadows, the ABH palettes that are newer are just really nice in my opinion. I have here the Nouveau. This one is my favorite. It is a unique color story. The shimmers are really nice. The mattes are a bit different and they are pigmented, blendable, buildable. And I have here the Cosmos palette, and with this one we have a bunch of shimmer shades that are really beautiful. I am actually wearing some of these on my eyes today. They are really great quality, and of course I can't skip Natasha Denona. And the palette that I want to talk about this time is the Yaka palette, because this one is my favorite palette from Natasha Denona at this particular moment, and it is just great. Perfect mattes, buildable, blendable, different kind of formulas in here. We have the cream to powder, the normal mattes, we have shimmers that are a bit more classic type of shimmer, very high shine shimmers. Natasha Denona is just doing incredible shadows, so I want to recommend this palette as well. And lastly, I want to recommend Kayali as a brand in general for perfumes. It's my favorite fragrance brand. It is what it is. My favorite perfume from them, it is the Yum Pistachio Gelato, and my second favorite, it is the Juicy Apple. They are doing scents right. They are interesting, but still not very weird. They are gourmand, yummy, and sweet, but not too sweet. If I'm reading the notes, I can blindly buy a perfume and probably I will like it, because they are, like I said, they are doing scents right. This is everything that I wanted to mention. I hope this video was helpful, and if you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.